On today's menu, an incredibly flavor-packed recipe you can make today. Tomato pesto pasta. Lay home ma everyone, I'm Will Young. Tomato and asparagus pasta, really easy to make it, and if you made the tomato pesto in the previous episode, this will be a breeze. Bring a pot of water to boil for the pasta. Just gonna break off the woody parts of the asparagus. Keep the asparagus stalks for stocks or soup. Three-quarters to 1 cup pasta. Stir the pasta occasionally and cook to package instructions. Keep about half a cup of pasta water and strain out the rest. Pan back on the heat, drizzle with olive oil. Asparagus. Sauté for 2 minutes. Tomato pesto. 1 to 2 tablespoons of pesto. Add the pasta water and cook for another minute. Pasta. Stir the pasta around and cook for another minute. Plate. Fresh basil. You can now make this incredible dish with absolute confidence. That has got to be the easiest, most delicious dish. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.